Hello folks, Richard Fontaine here. Now thank you for checking out my product review. Before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. That's what I said, $10,000 a month. Now this is an exceptional offer, folks, so I recommend that you grab it, and I have identified that product in the first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review. You can get the product from the second link in the description at any point during this video, and when you do, I will give you 5 exceptional bonuses for free. Bonus number 1 shows you how to build a Facebook group in any niche with up to 14,000 members and how to market to that Facebook group to make sales. Number 2 shows you how to create a recurring passive income online. And number 3 shows you how to act like a middleman on Fiverr. So when you get a high value gig, as an example, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price, and then deliver that to your buyer, and you pocket the difference in the process. That's how you become a middleman. And number 4 shows you how to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps, while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. And besides that, you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic sources. And number 5 shows you the current trends in affiliate marketing and how to outsell other affiliate marketers, plus much, much more. This offer also includes a list of resource articles for your benefit. Now, let's get on with our review.
Hey fellows, welcome to Tera, 2Click's anti-Instagram AI app that exploits their surveillance algorithm and use it against them to attract thousands of followers in any niche we want. And I'm going to show you how in this demo video. I'm sure you have heard about Instagram, right? In simple words, Instagram is a popular social media platform primarily focused on sharing photos and videos. But more than that, Instagram for Business has been proven to build brand awareness by reaching a massive audience through organic posts and advertising, connect with customers by engaging with followers, answering questions and providing support, drive sales by showcasing products, running promotions, and linking directly to e-commerce, build a community by creating a loyal following and fostering brand advocacy. And the best way to achieve all this is through the power of video. But not any type of video. We mean what are called feed, stories, and reels videos. Hootsuite says 60% of businesses on Instagram use video in their stories every month. This shows that businesses recognize the importance of video for engagement and potential conversions within stories. Social Insider says Instagram posts with videos, feed videos, generate 38% more engagement than image carousels. This highlights that videos outperform static images when it comes to capturing attention and driving interaction, a key factor in the sales process. Instagram says Reels with product tags are more likely to encourage viewers to learn more, consider a product, or make a purchase. This means Reels' direct integration with shopping features makes them powerful for driving sales. That's why we decided to create Tera, a specialized web application designed to create high-converting feed videos, stories videos, and Reels videos in minutes, without recording your face if you don't want to, without recording your voice either, without writing a single word yourself, and all with the power of advanced artificial intelligence. Let me show you how. Let's start on the dashboard. Click on AI Video Builder and click on Create Video. Let's name this project Skincare Instagram Feed Video. and click on Continue. Let's select Portrait for video resolution. I don't want to record my face and my voice either, so let's start by creating a voice with AI. So let's click on the Voice Over tab and click on AI Voice. This is an AI voice script generator, and the way you are able to use it is by using the same language used for all AI tools, and that is with the power of prompts. We have made it easy for you and have prepared prompts you can simply copy and paste. These prompts you see here have been crafted to create the feed, story, and reel videos with the highest converting structure. So let's copy the Instagram feed voice script sample prompt and paste it on the prompt text input. You can alter it and adapt it to your needs. For example, instead of using a skincare product, you can use something else. I will leave it like it is for demonstration purposes. And click on Generate. The AI voice script will be generated with the power of AI. If you read word by word, you will notice the tremendous marketing power of the script. And it will be exactly what the AI voice will say once you click on the Generate AI Voice green button. You can edit the voice script as you like. We recommend removing the unnecessary headings and hashtags, as this is a video script, so it should be a clean script. Also, we recommend avoiding leaving any empty line between the paragraphs in the script. Below the video script, you will be able to see the number of total characters, as well as an estimated number of seconds the AI voice audio file would last. To the right, you will be able to preview the list of human-like voice models you can select and preview. I will select Nova, and then click on Generate AI Voice. Great. Let's take a look and listen to how human-like it sounds.
Did you know that 80% of premature skin aging is caused by environmental factors like pollution and UV rays? If you're looking for a solution to keep your skin looking youthful and radiant, keep watching. In this video, we're going to introduce you to our new skincare product.
That sounds just awesome. And let's add it to the editor by clicking on the blue button. And let's save changes, which we recommend you do constantly while creating your video. The next step to do is to add the captions. Yes, fellows, you can even add perfectly synced captions to your video with the power of AI. For that, click on Captions. Click on Enable, click on Transcribe. Select the voiceover one. You can play the audio to make sure it is the right one.
Did you know that 80% of premature skin aging is...
And click on Transcribe. By the power of AI, the video script will be perfectly transcribed. You can do this even with any other voiceover file you upload. You not only can perfectly transcribe, but also you can perfectly sync the transcription with the voiceover audio by clicking on the Add as Caption blue button. Now let's see how the voiceover and the captions play perfectly synced.
Did you know that 80% of premature skin aging is caused by environmental factors like pollution and UV rays? If you're looking for a solution to keep your skin looking youthful and radiant, keep watching. In this video, we're going to introduce you to our...
That's just perfect. Great, now let's add additional elements to our video, like for example, videos. For that, click on the Video tab, and here you can search, upload, or record videos related to your captions. In our case, skincare. So let's search for skincare-related videos and position them where best suits the captions. Let's add the first one. Let's resize it. You can check the captions by clicking on the timeline. We can add the second video here, so let's make the first video to last up to that point. Let's add the second one. Let's resize it. Let's move it. We can add the third video here. So let's make the second video last up to that point. Let's add the third one. Let's resize it. Let's move it. Let's add a fourth video. And let's add a final video. But this is just the tip of the iceberg. Tera also lets you record portrait, landscape, and square videos. Record your own voice. Add music.
Did you know that 80% of premature skin aging caused by environmental factors like pollution and UV rays?
Images. Text. Stickers. Shapes. GIFs. Animations.
Youthful and radiant? Keep watching. In this video, we're going to introduce you to our new
Color effects. Sound effects. Color fills. And once your video is done, you can simply click on the render button, and you can then sit and relax while Tera creates your awesome Instagram feed video in just minutes.
Did you know that 80% of premature skin aging is caused by environmental factors like pollution and UV rays? If you're looking for a solution to keep your skin looking youthful and radiant, keep watching. In this video, we're going to introduce...
Once your video is done, you can edit it, view it, download it, duplicate it, and delete it. Let's now take a look at the video we just created.
Did you know that 80% of premature skin aging is caused by environmental factors like pollution and UV rays? If you're looking for a solution to keep your skin looking youthful and radiant, keep watching. In this video, we're going to introduce...
Well, fellows, that is totally awesome, and it requires just a few minutes of your time to get it done. But you not only can create high-converting Instagram feed videos, you can also create videos for stories, reels, and also for any type of video you can imagine. Here you will find everything you need to succeed with Instagram videos on behalf of your business and faster than ever. As you can see, the profit-generating potential of this simple yet extremely powerful app is just amazing, but I can't show it all in just this short demo video. That's why we decided to create a VIP training, which consists of an over-the-shoulder premium training that will show you step-by-step how to make money with Tera the quick and easy way. Just get inside and see for yourself. Really, no other solution will give you as much value for your money. So, if you want to get the most advantage of the 2 clicks anti-Instagram AI app that exploits their surveillance algorithm and use it against them to attract thousands of followers in any niche we want. Then try Tera today. You'll be glad you did. See you on the other side.
And oh yes, before I go, check out how to earn $10,000 a month in that first link below. You will not be disappointed. And remember my 5 bonuses. They show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic, buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference, gain reoccurring income online easily, earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system, and how to conduct your affiliate marketing business easily. Now, thank you for watching, and don't forget to purchase this product. Bye for now.